Hello all YouTube friends. Today we are sharing with you what is the best professional CCD function CNC cutting router machine. CCDR means that the machine has added camera plus auto position sensor when the machine makes cutting projects. So you can direct put your logo or image. So CCD function will automatic to read the logo image edge and direct cut it. Look at this machine for model 1325 CNC router. It made with very strong system. X, Y axis by helical gear rack. C axis by B barrel. Full powerful moving lines. And with 3.2 watt water cooled spindle. There are all the machine kits plus CCD software dongle. That included software, NC Studio card, materials fixer, cutting bits, water pump, and all. The CNC router cutting engraving machine has a very big max working size, 1300 mm with 2500 mm, can make cutting, 2D engraving, 3D engraving. Crossway Industry is a leading company in China, with supplying all large format printer, sublimation equipment, of printer, CNC router, laser equipments, paper cutting machines, fiber laser machines, cold hot laminator, plotters, inks and all signs market machines and materials.